Hey guys, what's up? So, welcome to our day 17 of our learning Kanji grade 1 here in Japan. Alright, so start off, we have Kanji for 2. Alright, futatsu, 2 things. Futari, 2 people. Nidoto, never again. Now, nidoto is usually used with a negative adjective like 二度と行かない。二度と行きません。It means that I'll never go again. 二度と行かない。Alright? Second, we have our kanji for sun, day, or Japan. That represents Nihon, or Japan. And then we have a special reading for this. It uses the kanji for sun, day, or Japan, but it has special reading. Kyo, today, this day. And Nikki, diary or journal. Okay? Alright. Third kanji for today is the kanji for enter or insert. Hairu, to enter, to join into. And nyujo, and that's entrance or admission. Once you get inside of a place like USJ, you'd have to pay an admission fee. Alright, that's it. Nyujo. Fourth kanji for today is our kanji for year. First up, we have kotoshi, this year. And for last year, it's kyonen. Alright, let's move to our example. Example is 今年の2月で友達と日本の USJ に入りました。Alright, that's 今年の2月で友達と日本の USJ に入りました。February this year, my friend and I entered Japan's Universal Studios. February this year, my friend and I entered Japan's Universal Studios. Alright, so there you have it, our day 17 learning grade 1 kanji here in Japan. Thank you guys for watching.